Welcome to RV Road Report, your ultimate destination for everything motorhomes, campers, and life on the road. Today we're diving into the world of luxury and adventure with the all-new Volkswagen Grand Camper van. This glossy yellow beast is not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With its rugged long body, 4x4 wheels, and a price tag of $169,000, this camper van is designed to take you anywhere in style and comfort. So, buckle up and let's explore this incredible machine together. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. Standing here in the Volkswagen showroom, the first thing that catches your eye is a bold, glossy yellow finish. It's vibrant, it's striking, and it screams adventure. The front grille proudly displays the iconic Volkswagen logo, and the rugged 4x4 wheels give it that off-road ready look. The long body design not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures ample space for all your travel needs. This is a camper van that's built to turn heads, whether you're cruising through the city or exploring the wilderness. Top side view. Now, let's take a look at the top side. Up here, you'll notice the solar panels, which are perfect for off-grid adventures. They keep your batteries charged, so you can stay powered up no matter where you are. There's also an antenna for satellite connectivity, ensuring you stay connected even in remote locations. And don't miss the external AC unit, which keeps the interior cool and comfortable during those hot summer days. Every detail on this roof is designed to enhance your travel experience. Back side view. Moving to the back, you'll see the thoughtfully designed rear section. There's an extra tire mounted securely, ensuring you're prepared for any unexpected flat tires on your journey. Below that, there's a cycle carrier, perfect for those who love to explore their surroundings on two wheels. The rear design is both functional and stylish, with clean lines and a robust build that complements the overall rugged look of this camper van. Side view. On the side, you'll find another fantastic feature, a retractable tent. This is perfect for those moments when you want to sit outside, enjoy nature, or just relax under the stars. The tent is easy to set up and provides a comfortable outdoor living space. It's these little details that make the Volkswagen Grand Camper van stand out. Whether you're camping in the mountains or by the beach, this side tent adds an extra layer of convenience and comfort. Driving compartment. Duration, 58 seconds. Now, let's step inside the driving compartment. The first thing you'll notice is the modern, ergonomic design. The seats are comfortable, and the dashboard is equipped with all the latest tech, including 2 LED screens. One screen displays your navigation and driving information, while the other gives you a clear view of the backside, making reversing and parking a breeze. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped, and the controls are intuitively placed, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driving compartment is the sitting and sleeping area. The sofa here is not just for sitting. It easily converts into a comfortable bed, perfect for a good night's sleep after a long day of adventure. The space is designed to maximize comfort, with soft cushions and plenty of legroom. Whether you're lounging during the day or sleeping at night, this area is your cozy retreat on wheels. Kitchen. Next up is a kitchen area, and it's surprisingly well equipped for a camper van. You've got a small sink, a 2-burner stove, and a compact fridge. There's also plenty of storage space for your utensils and groceries. The kitchen is conveniently located near the sitting area, so you can cook and socialize at the same time. It's perfect for whipping up a quick meal while enjoying the scenic views outside. Washroom. Now, let's check out the washroom. Despite the compact size, it's incredibly well designed. There's a toilet, a small sink, and even a shower. The space is optimized to make the most of every inch, and the materials used are durable and easy to clean. Having a washroom on board is a game changer, especially when you're traveling to remote locations where facilities might be limited. And there you have it, the Volkswagen Grand Camper van, a motorhome that combines luxury, functionality, and adventure in one stunning package. With a price tag of $169,000, it's an investment in a lifestyle of freedom and exploration. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe to RV Road Report for more in-depth reviews like this one. Let us know in the comments what you think about this camper van and where you take it first. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you on the road.